Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to start with writing something over here. So now what we'll start with in the MVT you create one htaccess file over here for .htaccess, just like that. And what we'll be doing is that you write here if model, and the if model, that is the model that we are going to deal with, model rewrite or rewrite dot. So what I'm going to do is I'll turn the rewrite engine, I'll turn it on, so that rewrite engine will be turned on. Then we are going to get rewrite rule, just like that. And over here go with I think so we go with the icon arrow, and I think shift K will give you the arrow and the dollar. Then we will move to the thing directory, and then we'll go to the public. So we are just getting that I will rewrite through our big file is going to be ./public/. So what we do over here is to bring L. Don't worry about this one, it's going to be fine. For the this one you can read a lot in Apache server, that is a lot about it, and you get to know. So we get another rewrite rule, and that is going to be dot everything dot hash, and also we are going to go to the thing, and after the thing also the public, and after that we bring $1, and also that is going to be the so that is all for the htaccess file. That is all what we need over here. So now we are finishing, and when we get here, all what we need to do is to come to here and to the public or thing and public, and think htaccess file. We are going to get some configuration over there. Don't worry, we are going to get some configuration over there. So the configuration we are going to start it now. Let me just go to the browser and show you something over here. What we need to do is that when we land over here, whatever we type over there, it's not good. We don't want it to be not found. Whatever we type after that one, need to rewrite and bring it to the index.php over there. Well, we don't want a situation in which we go to different files to become not found and don't think. So any parameter that we get, we will fire it to a variable called URL, and the URL we will try to write logic to extract something from it, so that we can navigate to any part that we want. So you can see here the index public, and if I go to index.php, you can see that we are not having anything like that. No, don't worry, we'll get there and you'll be able to know what we are talking about. So now, dict public, what we need to do over here to come to dict one. Go after dict one, I'm going to create another IF model and also another rewrite. I'll get mode to be equal to rewrite dot key, like this. And what I'll get the option, and the option is going to be multi-view like this. And I'll turn the rewrite engine on. After turning the rewrite engine on, we are going to deal with rewrite rule. Rewrite rule is going to be equal to, let me just get rewrite big first. Rewrite big, the big is going to be /php. Now those people who are using the dump folder here directly, all what you need to do is to ignore the PHP that I'm bringing in. For me, I've changed it, and I'll try that. I'll make a video about it, how you can change the working directory to your preferred directory from the htdoc. So you don't need to mention PHP over there. Those of you using the dump folder, so what you need to do is to start with MVT and blah blah blah. So, and for me, I'm not using that. So I'll go to /php /mvt /thing /public like this. And after that, I'll get rewrite condition. Oh, I think it's not coming. Go rewrite condition or rewrite con like that one, and that is going to be percentage, and in the percentage I'll get a request file name, and then my like d like that. And I'll get another condition that is going to be the same thing, but it's going to be my like percentage and request that is going to be a request file name and f like this, and we will get rewrite rule. With the rewrite rule, we are going to have this line and dot like this, and I'll bring $line over here, and I'll accept only index.php, and after that anything that will come, I'll get that to the URL folder. So equal $1. So everything I'll set it to that, and that is going to be QFA, L, and that is for the file, that is for the configuration. That is for the configuration. So now if you go and you can see now the hello world is working and like this, and when you go to any other folder you can see that we still stay in the public. So it means that our htaccess file is working, but the public doesn't know this. So if I bring flash and boom, it doesn't know anything like that. So now that is done for the thing and the public, and over here public, our htaccess file is done over there, and over here we create another htaccess file. So what that htaccess file is doing is that now let me go to the browser. So if I don't go to the public and I go to app like this, oh okay, it's not going to work. No. Think I need to think up. Okay, but what we need to do sometimes when you go to the app and you think there is an htaccess file over there, that's why it's showing it. So now what I need to do is to prevent the view from that. So all what I'm going to get option minus in there, just like this, and the deck is going to prevent any view from there. So if I go to the browser again and try to refresh, won't be able to see anything like that. So now let me go back to the public. So you can see hello world. You can see hello world over there. Okay, thank you. Alright, so now whenever you anything that will go, will be still having this one being written. So now in the next tutorial we are going to start with our PHP code and know what to go with. Thank you and stay tuned. Okay.